Just walking around looking at the garden. It is February 6th, my grandma's birthday, and it's 28 degrees right now, and I have a heated vest on, but the garden looks like doo-doo. And it's kind of depressing and overwhelming to think that I have to make it look good. But thank God I have God on my side who will make it look good on its own. But there's still some work that needs to be done. This is what I'm working with. There's the bugleweed. That's the catmint. There's the yarrow, irises, salvia, daisies. They're sparkling with frost. There's the allium and the I forget what it's called right now. The hibiscus. This is the pincushion flower. Oh, look at that cute little moss right there. And echinacea, the grasses. Look at this dump. The flowers are really cool, but it needs to be chopped down all the way. More hibiscus, candy tuft. Grasses. Look at this porcupine grass. So ugly. The flowers are pretty. And I don't have to do any pruning on the roses because the deer got to them. So that's done. The seasonal differences are pretty insane. This is hostas usually here. This whole area and the Anna's Magic Ball, how orange it is. So sad. There's a lot of work to do, but we'll just go step by step. But not yet. The aronia berries are grayish, but if you look closely, there's signs of life, like these buds, nice and pink, plump and red and ready to grow. The peach is covered in buds, Japanese maple buds, forsythia buds, snowball bush, lilac, climbing hydrangea is covered in buds, leaf buds. Bridal wreath spirea. Are the geese coming back? So there's promise. Spring is coming.